Can these door repair tips be applied to exterior doors, and what precautions are necessary? Exterior doors require the same fundamental repair techniques as interior doors, but with added emphasis on security and weather resistance. Start by inspecting the frame and thresholds for rot or gap that could compromise insulation and security, and replace any soft or decayed wood rather than patching it. Use weatherproof screws and longer fasteners when reinforcing hinges and strike plates so they penetrate structural studs or solid framing. Shorter screws are fine for interior doors, but not for exterior use. Check door weight and balance before adjusting or planing. Heavier exterior doors may need stronger hinges or a 3-hinge configuration to prevent sagging over time. Protect finishes by sanding, priming, and using an exterior-grade paint or clear sealer designed for ultraviolet exposure and moisture. Allow full cure between coats and follow manufacturer recoat times. When dealing with thresholds and weather stripping, choose materials rated for exterior exposure and compress them to form a tight seal without binding the door. 3 common mistakes are using interior-grade fasteners on exterior hardware, which leads to corrosion and loose fittings, failing to address underlying frame rot, which causes recurring problems, and overplaning a door to the point it no longer aligns with weather stripping and locks properly. If interior screws were used on exterior hardware, you should remove and replace them with corrosion-resistant weatherproof screws of sufficient length so they anchor into framing. If you find rot in the frame, remove the affected section and splice in new pressure-treated or rot-resistant wood, then reseal and paint the repair area to prevent recurrence. If you overplane a door and it no longer seals, replace or adjust the weather stripping and check locks at alignment. Sometimes adding a thin gasket or adjusting the striker plate will restore function without rehanging the door. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who can handle exterior door upgrades and repairs, and we also help contractors find new job opportunities. We maintain a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips, product experiences, and local trade referrals to support better decision-making.